Hi, and welcome to day 19 of this month's Make With Me project. We are working on a Crochet Stitches Sampler welcome mat, and today I'm going to show you how to make the falling leaves stitch. Let's get started. To begin the falling leaves stitch, we are going to need 2 rows of single crochet. So I have already started this one, but we're just going to make a row of single crochet, chain 1, and make another row of single crochet. If you're not sure how to single crochet, you can go back and watch day 1, and that was the section of our Crochet Stitches Sampler where we worked on a single crochet. But I'm going to go ahead and do 2 rows of single crochet, and then I will meet you at the end of row 2. Okay, so I forgot that this stitch, the falling leaves stitch, has a front and a back, which not all of our stitches have, but that one did. So I had to make sure that its front side would match up with my front side, which is on the bobble. And in order to do that, I ended up needing to do 3 rows of single crochet. So now I'm turning my work, and now that I'm ready to make the leaf stitch, which you have to have at least 2 rows, I had to make sure that I was on the same side as my bobble stitch when I was making that. And so I needed to make sure that I did 3 rows. So now I'm ready to begin making the leaf stitch. Okay, we are going to chain 2 and turn our work, and we are going to make 4 double crochets into the first 4 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're ready to make a leaf stitch. So we are going to come down to the second row post, and we're going to make it pop out like a front post. So we have the post from row 3, and we have the post from row 2 and the post from row 1, and we're going to come to the post of row 2. That's because I did 3 rows. Now if I had done only 2 rows, I would go to the post in row 1. And I'm going to yarn over and pull through, so I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over again, insert my hook to that same post, yarn over, pull through, so that I have 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 4, and then yarn over, pull through 2. That is our leaf stitch. So when we do this, there will be a stitch that we're working on in front of. So we're going to skip that next stitch and make a double crochet into the following stitch right here. And we will make 3 more. So 4 double crochets between 4 double crochets between each leaf stitch. So there's 3 and 4. And now I'm ready to make my next leaf stitch. So I'm going to do the post from the second row of single crochets, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert my hook to that same post, yarn over, pull through, so I should have 5 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2, and then make a double crochet, skipping a stitch and going into the next stitch. And then I'm going to make 3 more double crochets, so 4 double crochets between each leaf stitch, and then I'm going to make another leaf stitch. I'm going to follow this pattern across the row. I will meet you at the end of this row. Okay, I just finished my last leaf stitch. I'm going to finish the row with 2 half double crochets. And then because this stitch has a front side, we don't want to do any leaf stitches on the next side or else that will be on the back. So we are going to chain 1 and do a row of single crochet, and then we will turn our work and do another row of leaf stitch. But this next row is just going to be a row of single crochet. So I'll go ahead and do that and meet you guys at the end of this row. I just finished my row of single crochet. I chained 2 and I turned my work, and now I'm ready for another leaf row. I'm only going to do one more row of leaves just because we only have one more section left to add to our rug, and it's getting kind of long, so I'm just going to do one more row of leaves. And we want to stagger them so that they kind of fall in between of the last one. And so we are going to make 2 double crochets, and then we are going to make the leaf stitch on the post of the double crochet from the last leaf row. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to do the leaf stitch, yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert my hook into that same post, yarn over, pull through. I have 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2. And now I'm going to make 4 double crochets starting by skipping a stitch, which is behind the leaf stitch we just did. And going into the next stitch, got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm ready for another leaf stitch on that post from the last row. Yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through. 5 loops, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2, then make a double crochet skipping stitch. Make sure I do 4 double crochets before starting my next leaf stitch. So I'm going to follow that pattern and meet you at the end of this row. Alright, I just finished with that row of leaf stitch. I'm going to finish this section off with one more row of single crochet, and then I'm going to be finished with this section. So I will meet you guys at the end of this row. Okay, here is the falling leaf stitch section at the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you tomorrow for the last stitch of this Crochet Stitches Sampler rug, and it will be a harvest stitch. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.